Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In today's video we are going to see 5 useful apps for Android. So let's get into the video. The first app is called Wardrobe. It is a minimal looking wallpaper app. Wardrobe gets all the wallpaper from unsplash.com. The app has an excellent collection of wallpaper, so do check out this app. The second app is called Bubble Level. This is one app you should have it on your smartphone. In many occasions we required to align the thing. In that case, this app is handy. Also, if you shoot videos with your smartphone, this app will help you get shoot with perfect alignment. The next app is called Time Block. Time Block is the time blocking app designed to streamline your time blocking experience. You can add your task at a specific time so that the time management of your time will be managed. The next app in our list is ShareDR. It is an alternative to your Share interface. Most of the smartphone manufacturers add their own Share interface, so if you don't like that you can replace it with ShareDR interface app. You can change the theme of Share menu from white to dark. And the last app in our list is KWGT Widget Pack, which contains the latest widgets from iOS 14. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video, and I will see you in the next one.